Hello learners, welcome to Math with Mr. Salim, and today we want to see how we can find the least common multiples in numbers. Okay, for example, if you have two numbers, then you've been asked to find the least common multiple, or the simplest way is LCM. Now, that's what we're going to look at today. Let me have an example here. Let's say we have let's have example 1, okay? So we have 20 and 30. If you have been asked to find the LCM of these two numbers, normally it's very easy. Just pick the number 20 and here we have 30, okay? So let's look at the multiples of this number. We can start with 20. 20 times 1 is just 20. There are two ways you can do this. Either you just plus the number, you add it, or you multiply the number. Let's say, for example, 20, the next one is 40, 60, okay, 80. So you're adding, yeah? Here you added 20, you add another 20, another 20, that is 100, okay? How about this one? The same thing. So this is the first way. You can either say you add the number or you multiply it. So let's say here we'll be multiplying 20 times 1 is just 20, 20 times 2 is 40, 20 times 3 is 60, 20 times 4 80, 20 times 5 it's 100. That's one. These are the ways that you can use to find the LCM. So we want to find the LCM of both 20 and 30. Let's see what you'll find here. 30 is just that. The first one is just 3 times 1, which is just 30. Then 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 plus 30, that is 90. 90 plus 30, that is 120. Okay, I think that's enough because we already have 100. Here we have 120, so we don't need to continue further, yeah? So here it's like 30 times 1, 30 times 2, 30 times 3, 30 times 4. Or 30 plus 30 you get 60, 60 plus 30 you get 90, 90 plus 30 you get 120. And you keep on, the same way. Now, here we want to look at the least common multiple. We are going to look at the least common multiple. When you look at the number, you'll see the least is the one that comes first. So 20, 30, not that one. 40, 60, not that one. We have 60 here. And we also have it here. So these are common. These are common and they are also the least because it's like the first one from the multiples. So here we have 60. Here we also have 60. So what is the LCM? So the LCM of 20 and 30 is simply 60. And that's it. I know it's very easy. We can do another example so that you can see how to find this LCM. Okay? Okay, now that we have done the first example, let's take a look at this second example and see if it's still easy as the first one. Okay? Now, we're going to look at the LCM of 12 and 9. So we have 12 and we also have 9. We've said you can just simply, write the numbers. You find the multiples of this number. So 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3, that is 36. 12 times 4, that is 48. And like that, okay? So let's also find this one. 9 times 1, it's 9. 9 times 2, that's 18. 9 times 3, that is 27. 9 times 4, that is 36. I think that's it. So we're going to look at the multiple. We're looking at the least multiple, all right? So 12 and 9, we can't pick that because there's no common multiple there. 24 and 18, still not common. 36 and 27, 27 is not common, so we're not picking 27. Okay, let's move to the next one. 36, that's common. So we're going to pick 36 as our least common multiple. Remember, when you're looking at the least common multiple, you look at the first number that is common in both two numbers. Is that okay? Now here, our LCM will be 36. I know it's so easy, but that's how sometimes math is, right? So this is the LCM of 12 and 9. Okay? Now let me give you some take home. You can practice more on finding LCM. So you're going to have these numbers. We hope you will be able to do them. 4 and 5. Find the LCM of these numbers. Find the LCM of these numbers. 15 and 20. Then we have 8 and 12. Then we have 20 and 15. And the last one is 8 and 24. And that's it. There you have it. So this is the end of our lesson for today, and we were doing LCM. Once you have understood LCM, then it will be easier for you to even do the subtraction and addition of the fractions using LCM. And that's what we're going to do in our next lesson. So see you in our next lesson, and bye bye for now. See you.